Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the zipper playlist. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to hand sew a zipper into beaded fabric. This technique is ideal for special occasion garments where precision is required and beadwork or pattern matching needs to be preserved. If this is your first time here, be sure to explore the other zipper tutorials in this series. Each video builds your skills step by step, whether you're new to sewing or simply refining your technique. Want to sew along? You'll find the free downloadable pattern linked in the description below. Let's get started. Print and cut out the pattern piece. When cutting beaded fabric, it's best to use paper scissors rather than your precious fabric scissors, as the beads can damage the blades. Cut 2 pieces from lining fabric, 2 from fusible interfacing and 2 from the beaded fabric. Fuse the interfacing to the 2 lining pieces. Using a contrast thread, tack along the seam allowance. When making this for a client, or if it's a close-fitting garment, the fitting prior to inserting the zipper will usually have marked the final fitting line for the closure. For this sample, I've used a seam allowance of 1.5 centimeters or 5/8 of an inch. Beaded fabric can be intimidating to work with, but with a few couture techniques, you can insert a zipper cleanly without damaging the beadwork. For this sample, measure up 5 centimeters or 2 inches from the bottom. This will mark the center back seam below the zipper. Using a clean hammer, carefully smash the beads within the seam allowance up to the 5 centimeter or 2 inch mark. By smashing the beads, the threads remain intact, which prevents the beads outside the seam allowance from falling off. The beads can be unpicked instead, but the threads need to be retained and caught in the seam allowance. This can be a very time-consuming process, which is why I've chosen to use the smash method. Other options include smashing the beads along the full length of the seam allowance, or using the selvage edge of the beaded fabric if the design allows for this. Pin the beaded fabric to the lining and tack in place. Pin the seam below the zipper. Attach the zipper foot with the hole positioned on the left side, or move the needle to the left if you're using an adjustable zipper foot. Sew the seam. For this sample, I'm using a standard dress zipper. Pin the zipper into place with the teeth centered along the opening. Position the top metal stopper 1.2 centimeters or half an inch below the top edge. Be mindful of matching the beaded pattern as you position the zipper. The hand stitch used to sew this zipper is called a spaced backstitch. Let's look at how to sew that stitch. Start with 2 pieces of fabric and mark the stitch line, if possible using tailor's chalk. Knot the end of the thread and push the needle up from the underside at one end. Sew a backstitch by inserting the needle about 2 to 3 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch behind the current thread position. Bring the needle back up along the stitch line approximately 6 mm or 1/4 inch from the previous stitch. Repeat these steps along the stitch line. Finishing with a couple of back stitches to secure the end. Using the same technique, sew the zipper to the beaded fabric. Start at the top, working about 6 mm or 1/4 inch from the zipper teeth. Be mindful to push the needle down far enough to catch the zipper tape. Once you reach the bottom, continue using the spaced back stitch across the base of the zipper. Turn the work and sew the other side of the zipper. Remove the contrast seam allowance tacking stitches. Press from the wrong side using a pressing cloth. I'm using a piece of calico to protect the fabric and beads. And that's it. You now have the skills to confidently hand sew a zipper into beaded fabric. If you followed along and made the sample, let me know in the comments how it went. I'd love to hear. And that's a wrap on zippers. What zipper technique will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favourites or any tips of your own. Next up in the channel, we'll bring together many of the zipper techniques you've learned into a beautiful quilted jacket project. So hit like, tap subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to see it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.